Are you needing single carpet tiles? Then you've come to the right place. No, cool. Hi guys, and welcome back to our channel. Thank you for coming on if you're new, and if you're a returning watcher, thank you also. Remember, don't forget to click the subscribe button, click the thumbs up, and then we can go. So in today's video, I'm going to be talking about our new service that is called Pick and Mix. No, it's not the sweet. I wish it was though. So Pick and Mix is a new section on our website where you can order just one single tile if needed. So normally our boxes come in boxes of 20 like this. It's actually really heavy. So yeah, they normally come in boxes of 20 like this, so they're no good if you want to order something small for a utility room where you may only need, say, 10 or 15. So this is where our Pick and Mix section comes in really handy for those small utility rooms, maybe bathrooms or anywhere that's a smaller room where you don't need 20 tiles. Another good reason of our Pick and Mix is that maybe you might have Cozy Toes in your living room and you've got a stain on one of the tiles. That's absolutely no problem. You can just pick the tile up and replace it with a single tile on our single Pick and Mix section of the website. So again, instead of replacing your whole carpet of what you would normally do if you had a full flat lay carpet, you can just buy a single tile and your carpet's going to look good as new again. So it's a real money saving option to go for our Cozy Toes for your living room. If you have any stains or pets or children like that, it's so easy fixable and really budget friendly. So our single carpet tiles come in a range of our Nuvo products. This one here is our Cozy Toes in Elephant, and this one is our Beeline Nuvo tile. So you can use these for residential or office, or you can mix and match and do any. So our single tiles are good for everything all around the board. What's good to remember as well is that our Nuvo range has been running for over 10 years now, so they are really good quality and durable tiles, and you do not have to worry again in 10 years time if you need to replace a tile. It's still going to be there for you on our website, so you'll never worry about anything going out of stock or not being made anymore. Again, it's really good quality tiling, and also it's made in the EU, so we don't have to wait for any long shipping waits at all. If you can hear right now, I am actually in the warehouse, so all that background noise is our guys hard at work, getting ready, shipping our products out for next day. So if you would like to order our Nuvo tiles, then you can just head to our website at dctuk.com and order on there. What's great is it is run by DPD, so you'll get a 1 hour time slot. So if you download the app, you can go on the app and you'll never miss your delivery slot, and you can track when your Nuvo tiles are coming. So I hope you've enjoyed this video today and you've learned more about our new Pick and Mix section on our website. Again, if you would like to order, then just head to dctuk.com, and don't forget you can have them next day. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe and click the thumbs up, and we'll see you in the next one. Bye!